So, keyboard is one of the super important part of computer. It's really important to understand keyboard to master computer. Here is some awesome things you didn't know about keyboard. Did you know that you can operate your computer without mouse, just with the help of your keyboard? As you can use enter sometimes instead of left click, did you think ever, what about the right click? Which key from keyboard represents that right click? It's application or menu key. If you select anything and press this key, the options of that thing will pop out. As you can use enter key of keyboard instead of left click, you can use this too for the right click. It will be very helpful for the laptop users and also for the desktop users in some conditions. Now, the FN key. You can call it function key too. Probably you have seen it more in laptop than the desktop. So look carefully. Do you have any kind of icons in your keyboard, like increasing sound or decreasing sound? So the F1 key is just for them. Here you can see F1 got a home icon, but if I press F1, it's turning on universal help. But if I press Fn plus F1, the home icon will work, and as you can see, it's taking my browser to my home page. And I'm using Chrome, by the way. You can use every icons of your keyboard with this Fn key. If this was helpful, my life would be great if you like this video. And if you're new to my channel, a sub would be amazing. The next one is ESC, also known as escape key. There are several works of escape key. Do you know YouTube is a great place to watch videos? Oh, sorry, you are just watching me in YouTube right now. So, if you full screen the video and then you want to go back as it was, then press escape. Same thing works for games too. And also you can close any kind of window which doesn't have any kind of minimize or maximize button. Like this run command window. You can close it with the ESC key. Also you can stop loading of your browser or any kind of downloading with this escape key. Here is a video where you can know what are the use of these lights on keyboard. If you didn't watch this video, check it out. Link is in the description. Maybe you have seen this sign over here. It's Tilde and Acute. You can use it like this. But there is a special way to add this sign. First of all, you have to press Ctrl plus this key, and then you have to press any letter which you want to add. And here you go. Now you know how to use this. And the last tip of today is about Windows key. You can press Windows key to open all apps, and also you can press Windows D to minimize every window open in your computer. It's the quickest way to minimize everything. Like this video if you did learn something. And by the way, I'm Naim Islam. You were watching Everyday Click.